In this task, we are going to discuss about the introduction to blockchain in data management, where the data management is using blockchain uh, to have security, transparency, as well as data integrity with different types of advantages over the traditional data management systems. So here we are having blockchain technologies. Important advantage. And what's a blockchain is a decentralized distributed ledger technology where we can create a secure, transparent and immutable transaction across multiple computers. That's basically a blockchain. It's unlike a traditional centralized database. Blockchain operates without any central authority, so that it's laying on the cryptographic method, and it maintains data integrity. As you can see here, it's decentralized security, immutable consensus algorithm has been used in it. Transparency and as cryptographic methods. So it also has a distributed ledger. So why you are using blockchain for the data management in today's digital landscape, where we are using a number of large volume databases which has data in it, which should be efficient for business and other purposes. So if we use blockchain, we can reduce the risk and can be increasing the security, such as we can see like data tampering, fraud or single point of failure can be um, managed and decreased by using this blockchain technology. In this data integrity, we are having different immutable structures which should not be altered once record, and transparency is there, so we can have the access to the same blockchain where it cannot be replaced, and security has been ensured and there is no hacking or fraud can be done here. So how the blockchain transaction works is by using payment, or by mining it. So it is broadcasted into like a decentralized network of computers, which is known as nodes. So it acts independently to verify the validity of the transaction, so that we can verify whether the blockchain is created, so that we can add to the database. So how we are validating? So once the transaction broadcast is done, the nodes on the network verifies the transaction using the consensus mechanism, which is the algorithm includes the proof of work and proof of stake. So the proof of work is nothing but a cryptographic puzzle that validates the transactions. For an example, Bitcoin is uh, known for the proof of work, and for the proof of stake, based upon the number of coins that are holding and willing to stake as collateral, are known as the proof of stake, which is used in a network like Ethereum. So these are the basics that are used as an algorithm in the blockchain. And how does this blockchain is created? So once validation is done, the transaction is bundled with other verified transactions like a block, and they have the previous block or cryptographic hash and its timestamp and transaction data, which is added to the blockchain with the previous one. So by use of the cryptographic hashes, we ensure that it is a single block, that we recalculating every blocks in the chain, making it as a tampering is impossible, because it does not fit with the previous blockchain. So here data integrity is very much needed due to the database management. So blockchain are immutable and they are cryptographically secure. So once it becomes permanent and unchangeable, it is as well as it is transparent and it is traceable. So anyone can see the blockchain transaction at anywhere. So these are some of the data integrity that has advantage in it. So what are the applications of blockchain that are used in database management? To start with, supply chain. So I have used DHL as an example as a logistics supply chain management, where the real-time tracking verification of goods from one point to another point can be done, and it is very much transparency, and there is no risk of fraud, counterfeiting, and inefficiency of goods can be avoided. For example, when DHL integrates a blockchain in their database, then a monitor of tracking system that tracks goods and access the real-time database, and it reduces and improves the efficiency. And then finally it ensures a product and authenticity, and then it can be worked as other companies follow suit, so they can work it in the real-time database, and it's so much safer. In healthcare also they are using, so blockchain can be used like storing and sharing medical records, and that can be real time. We can access it without compromising privacy. We cannot alter or tamper the data, and we can ensure every patient's record can be streamlined in a process like insurance claim. We can do administrative cost, and we can improve overall quality of care by using this blockchain technology in healthcare system at TBMS management. And financial services, we are using um, different kinds of uh, blockchain technology such as DeFi and cross-border payments are like to be happen. So to track and to have the database management, we are using the blockchain technology, and it also reduces transaction cost and process of transaction. So it's a win-win situation for both, and blockchain is revolutioning in the financial industry also. So what are the benefits of blockchain in database management? Or data security and integrity, which is like fraud can be avoided, data manipulation, and there is no single point of failure can be existed, resilience and immobility can be used, and transparency and auditable, and it is very much transparent, and we can see where the blockchain has been transferred from one to another, and we can use for audit trail chronological ordering as part of it, and we can use it for cost reduction also. We can eliminate, and we can use it for day-to-day activities for the database management side, where it performs well, and it reduces a fraction of a cost, and can be used across any data management sites. So the challenges while implementing the blockchains are scalability. It's a little bit challenging, and it is only limited number of transactions are allowed per second. So the size of the network grows, the transaction speed can slow down. It makes is efficient for high volume applications, and so that its scalability is slow, while transaction speed gets affected due to the network growth. Here energy consumption also is more, uh, particularly at the proof of work, where the miners have to validate a transaction and consume mass amount of energy, and it it takes more environmental impact in it. So if we use the proof of stake like Ethereum, which is significantly more energy efficient, we can reduce the environmental impact and reduce other impacts, and we can have low energy consumption if we use the proof of stake. Regular uncertainty, yeah, due to the conflicts with existing legal and regulatory frameworks by the government and regulatory bodies, sometimes a blockchain and its data privacy can be affected. In integration with the legacy systems, there are different kinds in it, like it is so much costly and complex. Many businesses are using traditional database rather than blockchain's database management, because of the complex scalability and higher integration cost, which affects the businesses and expected savings and minimal disruptions are done. So this can lead to high cost for integration, and it hinders the blockchain's spread across the industries. So how does the future of blockchain in data management is done? So I think blockchain might play a crucial role in future if they reduce these challenges, as well as the energy consumption and everything with the proof of stake, and if they have a layer 2 scaling solution, such as its efficiency should be improved and scalability, security should be improved, and every government and legal bodies accepts, then future of blockchain is good. So in ongoing innovations, the innovations such as the smart contracts, tokenization, dApps are using the blockchain technology at the database management side, such as to automate and the terms of an agreement, and to improve efficiency, such as the apps, which has the tokenizations like that. Blockchain is being used as the database management. In conclusion, like which and the like challenges are more at blockchain, but if they find a solution, it will be a future growth for the database management at blockchain technology. In conclusion, blockchain technology is revolutionizing data management, where it offers application core features, and blockchain technology are integrated within them, and its core is immutable data integrity and distributed consensus, which is so ideal solution for industries, and accurate, which is also secure at data handling. Applications in supply chain management, healthcare, and finance services can use it. However, journey towards widespread adoption is not without any challenges, because we need to improve proof of stake and scalability and its efficiency, and need to be regulated as legal, and government legal bodies should accept the integration of blockchain and should be evolved, which has the reduced cost, where every small scale business also can use this technology, and it should come out of the current limitations and should adopt growth in blockchain signals, which promising trajectory for a more secure and efficient data driven world.